back to another episode of It's Not Math in the Classroom, but Math in the Bathroom. Today we're just going to talk about two different methods for multiplication. They're not new to you. We did practice them in school, but I just wanted to go over with you what's happening in them so that you're confident to use them and practice them on your own. So the first thing we're going to talk about is 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. So our problem is 37 times 4. Okay, but we're going to start with our place value sections, or sometimes we like to call it the area model method. So we'll start by drawing our rectangle. We've got a 2-digit number by a 1-digit. So we need 2 spaces on top and our 1 space on the side. Okay, our number is 37. And we know that when we're multiplying 37 times 4, we're taking 7 times 4 and 30 times 4. So we're going to get the expanded form of 37 on top and then our 4 on the side. Okay, then we'll start by multiplying to find the area of this square. 30 times 4, okay? 30 times 4 is 120, and we know that because 3 times 4 is 12, but this is actually 30, so we need to multiply our 12 by 10 to get 120. Over here we have 7 times 4, and we know that's 28. To finish it off, we add them together. Find the sum of the two areas together. 120 plus 28 equals 148. Now we'll quickly go over the shortcut method. Again, we're multiplying 7 times 4 and 30 times 4. 7 times 4 we know is 28. That's 2 10s and 8 in our ones column. Next we've got 3 times 4, which is 12, but we actually had 2 10s up here, so we need to add them together. And we've got 14, 148. Perfect. Next we're going to talk about is 3-digit by 1-digit. Okay, same idea, but this time we've added another place value. We've added the hundreds. We're going to do 576 times 8. So again, we're putting it into the expanded form to show all place values. So we've got a rectangle, and we need our 3 sections on top for our 1s, 10s, and 100s, and then just our 1s on the side. So we have 576 times 8. So in this square, we're looking for 500 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40, but it was 100, so we need to multiply 40 times 100. So we end up with 4,000. In our middle section here, we have 70 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56, and we had a 10. So we've got 560. And finally, in our ones column, 6 times 8 equals 48. To finish it off, we want to put all of them together, find the sum. So we have 4,000 plus 560 plus 48. 0 plus 0 plus 8. 6 and 4 is 10. 4,608. Okay, now a great way to do this would be to try both methods every time, because then you can check your work. If we made a mistake in here, we'll probably catch it when we try our shortcut method over here. So we'll start in the 1. 6 times 8 we know is 48. We have 4 10s and 8 1s. 7 times 8 is 56 plus 4 10s. 57, 58, 59, 60. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 6. We've got 46. 4,608. Awesome, worked out perfect. Last one we're going to talk about is when we've got 2-digit by 2-digit. We've got 84 times 23. Okay, this time we've got 2 place values we're dealing with, 10s and 1s for both numbers. So this time we've got a square with 2 sections and 2 sections. We have 84 and 23. So we're starting to find the area with this square here. 20 times 80. Okay, 2 times 8 is 16, but we had a 10 here and a 10 there, so we're multiplying by 100. So we've got 1,600. Okay, then you can kind of go to any box you want. We don't have to go in order. There's no specific order. So we'll pop down here. 80 times 3. Okay, 8 times 3 is 24. And then we had our 10. Multiply it by 10, 240. 20 times 4. So we got our 20 here and our 4 there. 2 times 4 is 8. Don't forget we're multiplying by 10. So it becomes 80. 20, 40, 60, 80. If you count by 20s, you could do it that way. And then our last box is 3 times 4 equals 12. And we want to find the area of all of them together, all of our place value sections. So we'll add them together. 1,600 plus 240 plus 80 plus 12. Be sure you're lining up your place values correctly because that could really change an answer. Let's see. 1,932. All right, let's check it. This time we're gonna use the turtle head method. Okay, if you like to just call it the shortcut method and not add our extra steps, that's totally fine. But I think the turtle head method is fun and it helps us remember every single step. So we start by drawing our turtle head, okay? Because we're gonna start in our ones column. We're gonna start by multiplying 3 times 4 and then 3 times 80. Okay, 3 times 4 comes first. That's 12. We have 110. Whoops. 110 and 2 ones. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1, 25. Okay, then our next step is to cross off any carried numbers because we already used that one. Draw a collar and lay an egg. Now it's important to know why we lay that egg there. Okay, that egg is a 0 and it comes to hold this place value here in our ones column because we're multiplying by 20, not just 2. So the 0 here holds that place of that 1 spot. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Then we add them together to find the sum. 1,932. All right, that's it for today. Go ahead and do the Pear Deck activity. Okay, you are able to choose either method, but I'd love it if you would try both. Okay, it's a great way to check your work and it's great practice. And then after you finish the Pear Deck activity, go ahead and answer the check for understanding. You'll notice this time your check for understanding is in a Google Doc. And that's just so when I'm giving you some feedback, it's all in the same place. It's easier for me to return it back to you and comment on it. So have a great night. Again, if you're gonna try math in the bathroom, make sure you check with somebody at home first. See ya.